In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram in Lovable. To get started, head over to Lovable and open the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your workspace and access the different tools and integrations available to you. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented so it's easier to follow the setup smoothly. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Connectors. This section is where Lovable keeps all of its available app connections. So if you ever want to link other tools in the future, this is the place you'll come back to. After opening connectors, look for Telegram in the list of available options. Once you find it, click Add Connection. This begins the process of linking your Telegram account or bot setup to Lovable so the two services can work together. On the connection screen, check your display name. This is important because it helps identify the connection later, especially if you plan to create more than one integration. Make sure the display name is clear and recognizable so you can easily manage it in the future. Next, follow the setup instructions shown on the screen. Lovable provides these instructions to guide you through the exact requirements for connecting Telegram properly. It's a good idea to read through them carefully before moving on, since missing a detail here could cause the connection to fail or require you to go back and update something. Once you've reviewed the instructions, add your bot token. This token is what allows Lovable to securely communicate with Telegram through your bot. Be careful when entering it and make sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors. Since this is sensitive information, always keep it private and avoid sharing it publicly. After the bot token has been entered, click Connect. At that point, Lovable will attempt to verify the details and establish the connection with Telegram. If everything was entered correctly, the integration should be added successfully. If the connection doesn't work on the first try, the most common cause is usually a small typo in the bot token or a missed setup requirement, so double check those details before trying again. Taking an extra moment to verify everything can save time. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of adding Telegram in Lovable, from opening the dashboard all the way to connecting your bot. Once connected, you'll be ready to continue building or automating workflows using Telegram inside Lovable.